Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need an assortment of pony beads, white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a medium-sized piece of string. You're going to start by putting 4 white beads on your string and then tie. You'll cut this off. Put your needle on. Go through this bead here. You're going to add a white and go through this bead. You'll add a white and go through this bead. You'll add a white and go through this bead. You'll add a white and go through both of these. Okay, you're going to add 5 pink beads, and we're going to go through the second one. You're going to add 2 pink, and then you're going to go through this last bead. Okay, you're going to go through these 2. Five orange. We're going to go through the second bead. Add 2 orange. Go through this bead. We're going to go through these 2 white. Five yellow. Go through this bead. Add 2 yellow. Go through this bead. You're going to go through these 2. You're going to add 5 green and go through this bead. Two green. You'll go through this bead. You're going to go through these 2 white. You're going to add 5 blue. Go through this bead. Add 2 blue, go through this bead. You're going to go through these 2 white. Add 5 blue. Go through this bead. Add 2. Go through this bead. You're going to go through these two white. Five purple. Go through this bead. Add two. Go through this bead. You're going to go through these two white. Add five. Go through this one. Add two. And go through this bead. We're going through these two white. Now we're going to go through this white. You're going to add a white. And go through this bead. Flip it over. Okay, our pattern is going to be 3 of each color with white in between. That's what it looks like. You're going to go through this white bead. We're going to add 3 pink and then go through this white. Three purple, go through the white. 3 blue, go through the white. 3 blue, go through the white. 3 green, go through the white. 3 yellow, go through the white. Okay, we're going to add 3 pink, and you're going to go through this white bead. And I'm going to go through this pink bead and tie it right here because it'll be a little easier. Okay, and if you want to straighten these out, you just pull the end beads like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.